This is gonna freak me out.
It's gonna freak you out, huh?
Like I'm gonna
I
whine.
think it's freaked Rachel out.
No, wait. This is the fun part. This is gonna freak me out. Like I'm gonna whine.
Your hand. Come back, Rams. Please, come on, Rachel.
Okay, here we go.
Here it goes now. Make a big noise.
I should have brought my earplugs.
Oh, please.
Rachel's good job.
Count down, please.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Moly.
Somebody find it.
No, I can't. I'll fall over.
Do you have your regular glasses?
No.
You looking for it? Gotta look for it.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Where?
Right up there. To the right of the
Oh, yeah, I
cloud. See it, Tom?
I don't even see it.
Yeah, see you.
Yeah, it's right there.
See, you
Where?
don't have your glass. You should have brought them. That's too bad.
Butterfly!
Okay, now I don't see it.
There it is. Back into orbit.
Yeah, now I lost it. I don't know.
It landed.
Oh, did it?
It did?
Yeah.
Oh, it went fast.
Boy, that thing looks low, huh?
Mama's gonna catch it with the girls.
I don't see the parachute.
Didn't come out yet, maybe?